आखिरकार 4 बार लॉकडाउन के बावजूद स्थिति ऐसी बन के आ रही है that it appears as if we just can't appear to be flattening this curve. We're literally now touching 1.5 lakh positive cases across the country, and that should be a cause of concern. For the last 2 months, we've been in a state of lockdown. पूरा देश बंद पड़ा है. लॉकडाउन की आप स्थिति में है, लेकिन उसके बावजूद स्थिति कुछ सुधरती सी नहीं नजर आती. कल देर रात मैंने माननीय रेल मंत्री पीयूष गोयल जी के ट्वीट पर एक ट्वीट किया. इसका हम क्या अर्थ निकालें? क्या ये राजनीति हो रही है? क्या वाकई महाराष्ट्र के मुख्यमंत्री केंद्र से अपने डिफरेंसेस के कारण क्या वो वाकई लोगों के जीवन से खेल रहे हैं, या हम इसको सिर्फ और सिर्फ मात्र राजनीतिक दृष्टि से देखें? कारण चाहे जो भी हो, this kind of Twitter interaction which takes place between two top constitutional authorities tells you that even now at the end of the day, while cases are increasing, it appears that the desire to score political points is still not ending on all sides. And that is where I think the real problem in this battle against COVID really is. Look at the numbers, what's happening. Positive cases across India touching 1.5 lakh. Maharashtra, of course, remains the worst hit state. In Maharashtra, look at the story of Mumbai. 1,725 cases. Whereas in the overall state of Maharashtra, you're looking at 3,041 cases. In Gujarat, another one of worst affected states, 394 cases. In Delhi, again the story not looking good, 508 cases. All this picture of the entire country tells you that if we were depending only and only on the lockdown to help us, well, we need to have another strategy. Now comes a $1 million question. On one hand, the government wants to, well, open the skies. They want people to be careful. You have to live with this corona. What I'm increasingly now hearing is that instead of strict lockdown, a strict lockdown has to be replaced by a smart lockdown. Whatever is the definition of smart lockdown, well, we still don't know. But despite that, what my real problem today is, when you look at these kind of videos, which you're now playing, and this video is coming from Noida in Uttar Pradesh, just spend a moment and look at what is being done when it comes to providing relief to an ordinary citizen. We're still verifying the facts of this case in terms of why was this person made to, well, crawl out like this and be put on a stretcher like this. But if you now tally all the videos that we have got, where in some cases people have, well, attacked, assaulted vegetable vendors, as it happened when a mango seller, उनकी पूरी रेडी उनकी बर्बाद कर दी गई और उनके आम लोग लेके भाग गए. और फॉर दैट मैटर, जब माइग्रेंट वर्कर्स अलग अलग जगहों से जा रहे थे, प्रदेशों से जा रहे थे, तो जब उनके पास पानी नहीं था, उन्होंने क्या किया? उन्होंने पानी की बोतलें स्टेशन पर से उन्होंने उठानी शुरू कर दी. कहीं ना कहीं सोशल स्टिग्मेटाइजेशन is still a real problem in this battle against COVID. So where are we left, folks? Lockdown 1.0, Lockdown 2.0, Lockdown 3.0, Lockdown 4.0. Now, are we headed for Lockdown 5.0? Is that the real strategy against Corona, to remain under lockdown? A question that those politicians who are sparring with each other really need to answer.